What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. So I've been on YouTube for about 5 years, and the majority of my videos is about smartphones. And when I review a phone, part of the review is dedicated to camera reviews. And if a device that I'm reviewing cameras are not that great, I'll say it is what it is. You be the judge for yourself. But I've been getting a bunch of you guys asking me to port over Gcam to see the difference, and I almost denied every request. So I'm going to tell you why I was wrong in denying a lot of those requests, and I finally woke up. Let me explain. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I had a belief that if you want Gcam on a phone, buy a Pixel. And a lot of people get upset when I say that, because a lot of people don't want a Pixel. They already have a great device, but the cameras that they have on that device was not that great. You know what? For years, I've denied the fact that Gcam was a great software to be ported over to subpar phones. I always said it was a hindrance, rather a helpful app. To bring your subpar cameras great, I always blame the manufacturer, and I always say, hey, it is what it is. You be the judge for yourself. Year after year, I have denied my viewers the opportunity for me to at least test or try Gcam on other devices, to even show the viewers how good the port is. But you know what? I had bought the Microsoft Surface Duo. It's a fantastic phone, but the cameras are a complete fail. The colors on the Surface Duo is muted, no dynamic range. It's an overall bad camera. So what I did with this 11 megapixel camera on this device, I ported over Gcam, and man, it's a totally different experience. Now, the cameras are really good at this point. The photos now has great colors. It does have good dynamic range, and the photos look a whole lot sharper than the regular original camera app. So I had to sit back and think about this. Look at some of my past videos, like the OnePlus 9 Pro I just did a couple of weeks ago when I put Gcam on it. And even in that video, I criticized Gcam. I said that, hey, I believe that putting Gcam on a device handicaps it. Even though the footage from Gcam was better than the original camera app, I was still naive, and I put up a brick wall. And you know what? I was wrong. So I'm making this video to tell you guys that I'm sorry. It took me years to finally figure this out. It took me a very long time to get it. Look, there's a lot of devices out there that has really good best-in-class displays, best-in-class build quality. It has all the power you need and all the RAM that you would ever need. But the cameras on that device that you have in your pocket may be subpar. Look at the before and after footage. There's a big difference in quality when it comes down to some Gcam ports. And I'm gonna tell you, there will be a moment that you need to take a great photo and the original camera app will let you down. But the Gcam app look like it doesn't fail you, especially if you get a good one. And look, I believe that we need to hold companies accountable for charging us a lot of money and giving us subpar cameras. And I know for me reviewing a lot of phones that some cameras are just not that great, but the build quality is good. The screens are good. The specs are very good, and the price is right. You know what? I made a lot of mistakes here on this YouTube channel. And the biggest mistake that I ever made here on this YouTube channel is criticizing software that actually works, but I just didn't believe in it until I started to use it. And I took the blinders off my eyes and I thought about, look, I got over 2,000 videos on my YouTube channel. And I went back and I looked at countless of videos that I've mentioned that don't download Gcam on your phone. Even though it gave you better footage, even though it gave you better dynamic range, even though it gave you better colors, I've always preached that do not use Gcam, and I was an advocate of me not using Gcam on my devices. Well, I was wrong, and I apologize for that. Look, I'm gonna be better, I'm gonna do better, and follow me on this journey. And this is one step forward, me confessing my sins here on this YouTube channel. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about, look, mistakes that I've made here on this YouTube channel, but I'm fixing them. And I think Gcam is a huge mistake that I've made, telling people don't download this software because it's a hindrance towards the devices. And I will continue to grow and get better. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.